Okay, so motorcycles. I've always really been interested in it ever since like I was a kid. More so the vibe of it. You see this one guy with his Harley Davidson, his chopper, with some loud music. From afar, it looks cool. I don't know, why not give it a shot? For anybody else wondering, how can I get into motorcycles? This is the video for you. So here's my first step, YouTube. There's quite a few channels that I follow that are interesting if you really want to get into the sport of motocross, know stuff about motorcycles, or just become more knowledgeable in it in general, right? This definitely helped me out. The first one, KRANKiT. They do pretty good videos. It's more dirt bike orientated. Pretty cool stuff. I wanted to do a dirt bike type of stuff around here, but I live in South Florida, so there's no trails. Kind of a bummer, but eventually if I have enough money, then I'll just go out. But still a very cool subject, something that I really do enjoy. If you guys do enjoy that type of stuff, more like motocross stuff, KRANKiT. Next, Kincade Pavich. I think that's how you pronounce it. So he does these dirt bike rebuilds, and that gold. I'm not gonna lie to you. These videos have helped me out so much just to learn about bikes in general, like their anatomy. I don't know if they have the same stuff in a dirt bike as in a motorcycle. Maybe not. Maybe some stuff change around, but really cool stuff. The mechanics really helped me learn so I could get more in depth with this type of world. Mechanical stuff really do catch my eye. It's really something that I really do enjoy. Hopefully you guys as well. Bart. Yeah, like from The Simpsons. So this guy, he does motorcycle like video essays. Pretty cool, phenomenal content. I really do enjoy it. They're pretty chill. I kind of like the way he has it edited and the topic, the way, you know, it's pretty cool. Born a Goon. Funny videos. He has some cool stuff. They're more so dirt bike and motocross orientated, like video essays as well. I mean, I never knew anything about motocross. It looks pretty cool. Motorsport or power sport. I'm not sure what's the difference between the two. Maybe I might do a video about it. Just me researching. Like this one, I'm pretty much researching how to become like a motorcycle guy. There's still a lot I want to learn, mechanically become better at. Speaking of becoming mechanically better though, FortNine. FortNine. His videos, phenomenal. This one, I favorite it, ring bell and everything. If you guys want to become just like motorcycle mechanics, learn how to ride a motorcycle, or just in general, really do want to get into motorcycles as a hobby, this guy is the way. You got to subscribe to him. Stuff about 4-stroke, 2-stroke. If you really want the in-depth mechanical engineering knowledge, this guy, he knows his stuff. Yeah, he definitely does. Lastly on my list, Absolute Dan. His videos are more orientated towards MotoGP. Now, if you don't know what MotoGP is, it's motorsports pretty much. It's the highest motorsports for motorcycles, I believe. I could be wrong. Maybe you guys could fact check me in the comment section. They have all these big brands in there like Kawasaki, I believe Ducati, Yamaha, Honda. There are more people I'm most likely missing. But they make these super bikes, hyper bikes, and these people are going crazy fast. 1000cc motorcycles. If you guys don't know what 1000cc is or even higher, no worries. You guys will definitely get into it, but just know that they're fast. They're really fast. They're like F1 cars. And if you guys don't know anything about F1 cars, I mean, I'm gonna have a video about that too, because I'm getting more into this type of stuff. And I believe it's a good approach to try to get into these motorsports. And the reason why is because these motorsports have a lot of innovation and a lot of just prowess. These guys push these machines to the limits, engineering, skill-wise. And so what happens is that these innovations come through and literally change the game. Not just for like the racing world, but also for us on the road, normal people that don't really get to that type of level anytime soon. Maybe even trickle down to like other stuff like cars, maybe mini bikes, pit bikes, and getting into motorsports definitely helps out. It gives you more rewired into the world, because when you plan on getting into something, you kind of have to commit. If you don't commit to it, there's no point. Just try to commit into it. Maybe racing isn't your thing, you're more of a mechanical person, and that's totally fine. But they do have mechanical aspects to these racing professions that it's just phenomenal. Like the type of engineering and stuff behind it is so cool to me. And I could understand maybe a whole bunch of people love it as well. But yeah, those are my channel recommendations. You guys can watch them. Definitely do watch them. I mean, these guys help me out so much. I still got a lot more to go. At the same time, I am saving up, and I am doing an interesting project with my dad. I'm gonna have it linked right up here somewhere. Getting a motorcycle, pretty much out of like old mountain bikes and BMX bikes, and seeing how that goes. Yeah, as a good recommendation, check out the websites. Powersports, Honda.com, Ducati's website, a whole bunch of these motorcycle manufacturers' website. Check them out. They most likely have a whole bunch of slurry of information, data that could help you out, just like Powersports, Honda.com. Definitely could help you reorient yourself to this type of world And it also has a little rider education section so you can help yourself and learn how to ride a bike. Of course, riding a bike definitely helps you out, because why not? That has all this information to help you become the best rider and even the best motorcycle mechanic. But yeah, watching a whole bunch of videos, getting more inclined into content, motorcycle content, social media, and even getting a grasp into it. Riding a bike, learning how to ride a bike, racing, even doing mechanical work with the bike definitely helps you out. So you can learn more and get more into this action-packed world. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, tips, or just even questions or comments in general, hit it in the comments below. Peace out.